I've got to ask you first and foremost, because it's been a magnificent run for the Nikkei 225, but can people that are watching now that haven't invested in Japan, can they still continue to do so and expect upside?
Yes, I think they can. There are several reasons for this. The first thing is that the Japanese market has basically gone up with fundamentals. So it's really gone up because earnings have gone up, cash flows have gone up. Now, part of this has been helped by the weak yen on the exporter side. But on the flip side, domestic Japanese companies have been hurt by the weak yen. So it's actually quite balanced. So I think it's fundamentals that are driving things up. If you look at price to book multiples, price earnings multiple, dividend yield, they've barely gone up. They've really just kept up with the fundamentals. So the market, first of all, is not undervalued, not overvalued, sorry. Secondly, there are a lot of rooms for more value generation in Japan. The first thing is Japanese balance sheets. 60% of corporate Japan is in a net cash position with almost a quarter of their balance sheet just sitting as cash. Now you're seeing that cash being deployed in several ways that are very beneficial to shareholders. One is share buybacks. So you've seen record levels of share buybacks. You've seen dividend increases. And then you've seen Japanese companies go overseas and make acquisitions to improve their competitive position, to grow outside of Japan because growth within Japan is limited. So there's a lot of value creation that is still there for Japanese companies to do. And one final area is the restructuring of Japanese conglomerates. Now, you saw several Japanese conglomerates like Sony and Hitachi over the last decade have really gotten out of so many different businesses to create much more focused business models on very profitable industry segments that have growth. And now we're starting to see other Japanese conglomerates follow their lead. And that's going to create a lot of value for shareholders going forward.